Berlin, a vibrant city full of diversity, rich in history and culture. Inhabited by free-spirited minds from all over the world, the city is a symbol of creativity and freedom. Germany's capital is my chosen hometown. I'm René Frank, chef-owner of CODA. As a chef and pastry chef, I've always known that this city is exactly the right place for my unique culinary vision. What started in 2016 as a dessert bar is today a 2 Michelin-starred non-conformist restaurant. At CODA, traditional categories such as sweet and savoury don't exist. I invite my guests to look beyond norms and classic restaurant categorization. Over the years, I have developed my own non-conformist approach. My own cuisine inspired by desserts and pastry, where sugar does not play the main role. Non-binary dishes which have no labels and no categories. I have always been fascinated by the spirits and principles of others. One example of this is what I love about the Japanese Kaizen philosophy. Kai means change, Zen means for the good or for the better. This is my daily motivation, to always ask myself how I can permanently improve my work and daily life. I strive for perfection through reduction, leaving out non-essential components on the plate, with umami and natural occurring sweetness playing a central role across the entire menu. In Spain, I learned to think outside of the box, to let my creativity flow, to be open to innovative approaches. Good teamwork is like clockwork. That is what I took away from working in Switzerland. What we do at CODA is all about precision, accuracy and consistency. Known for its flavors like brown butter and caramel, French cuisine excels the art of sauces, understanding how a well-crafted sauce perfects a dish, just like CODA's pairing drinks do, which are an essential part of my culinary creations. They emphasize and accentuate the character of each dish. Today, CODA stands for progressive, non-conformist, independent cuisine. We never stand still, and this is just the beginning of a fascinating journey and a new culinary free-spirited tomorrow at CODA.